Hi guys, my name's Shaun and welcome to another edition of Debunking. So, Fred, what is today's question?
New cars don't need waxing or protecting.
New cars don't need waxing or protecting. I would beg to differ primarily because when you get a new car, you want to keep that paintwork in as pristine a condition as you possibly can. Now, the issue with paintwork in today's climate, you've got lots of contaminants, airborne contaminants, which will attack that paintwork. And over a period of time, you'll obviously feel the contaminant in the surface. You could have oxidation, that type of thing. So for me to actually put a protective coating on your paintwork, whether that be ceramic, quartz or conventional waxes, I would protect my paintwork as often and as frequently as I can so that any form of contaminant attacks the protective coating that I put onto my paintwork. Important. If you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments, put them in the comments section below. Failing that, we'll see you next time for another edition of Debunking.